Hello guys, I'm Sharad Kumar, a graphic designer based in Delhi, India, and today I will teach you in detail fruit water flash effect tutorial. Adobe Photoshop photo manipulation. First we'll go to our picture page. Click on select then subject for selecting the strawberry. Now get this on your front page. Made a little adjustment here. Go back on move tool. Now we will the second picture on the front page. Press Ctrl T and select vertical. On this very layer, add a mask. Then select brush tool with 100% opacity. And using like this. Change side and press Ctrl T for adjust. One more click on mask layer. And select brush tool with 31% opacity. Using like this, back to side and select background remove eraser tool. Click on discount yes. Now we will move the brush across page so that background is removed. Back to move tool. Select this layer and add a mask. One more select brush tool with 100% opacity. Use on strawberry. Click on this layer on no mask side. Next click on create new fill for adjust layer and second to saturation. And color set this. And lastly we will click on this layer because there is still some work left to do. Select brush tool with 17% opacity. Use like this. So our manipulation is complete. Make sure to drop a like if you enjoyed. If you like my content, to be sure smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video, it really means a lot.